What's up, everybody? I wanted to take this quick minute out. It's probably gonna be a few minutes, but my life has been completely changed because of F45. It's the studio that I work out at. There was a time during COVID, like many people you may know, that we just ate and ate and ate, and I got myself up to 242 pounds, which is one of the heaviest weights that I have ever been to. Incredibly unhealthy. And it got to the point where when I wore my pants, my gut would be over my pants and it would actually pinch the belt in my gut. And then when I took my pants off to change into my pajamas, you would see the indentation of the belt. And I got incredibly uncomfortable with myself, and I said, I have to get serious about F45. And I took it serious. And the reason why I made this video for you today is because F45 means so much to me that I asked the owner, the last class ends at 7:30. I said, can we have a special Hsuperman day just for me and my friends, because I want to introduce my friends to F45. And he said, yes, let's do it. So August 18th, Thursday, 7:30. Only room for the first 26 people that RSVP to this video right now. You're going to be invited to come work out with me at F45 for a grand total cost of nothing. Complimentary on F45 for our company, Wondour. And I am so excited because if you're like me, I don't like gyms. I don't like working out at a traditional gym. I get bored, I'll text. I could be there for 2 hours and didn't even work out that much. When I'm in F45, and what I love about F45, it is once you enter, 45-minute workout, done. And it is the funnest 45 minutes you will ever have when it comes to working out. You're gonna have an absolute blast. The people you're gonna meet, the coaches, the environment, the loud music, it is gonna be unbelievable. And you never know, you might actually see Mr. Mark Wahlberg walk in just like he did when I was working out. With that being said, if you wanna RSVP, all you have to do is text the word F45 to 702-602-8802. Again, all you have to do is text the word F45 to 702-602-8802. Limited seating, only for 26, and I cannot wait to see you Thursday.